ગાયના દૂધની રબડી એકવાર તો પી જો દિલ ખુશ થઈ જશે.
Namaste and welcome to Prakrut, the organic food festival in Rajkot. So the whole concept of organizing Prakrut, which means nature in Sanskrit, is to bring back the old natural foods and millets, and just share it with all the people in the city, right? Because we have a lost tradition where all the traditional millets are lost into the mainstream food, which has been essentially replaced by wheat and rice. So how do we bring the millets back into it, right? Natural food, organic food, completely made the traditional way to the people, like whereby they can actually learn how to cook and what millets to use, what are the qualities of the millets and all of that. So this is essentially like an effort to connect the farmers directly with the people and slowly build a relationship with food over time. So this is about relationship with food, and once the relationship with the food is established, slowly the farmer communities will start benefit from this organic movement. So this whole effort is about that.
મકાઈનું ખાટલું ઘરે કરીએ ને તો મજા આવે. તમે છાય છાય જ્યાં ખાવ છો, મને છાય છાય રડે નહીં. હાલ તો બાજુમાં બીજી ત્યાં
In all, we have about 50 odd stalls, where the first 10-12 stalls are essentially about the dry ready-made products which are made from organic food. The rest 20 to 25 stalls are about the traditional food stalls, where the farmers, the families from the farmers actually come here and cook the traditional way. So the whole benefit is to really see how traditional food is cooked on slow fire. So the whole process of the slow fire and just using completely organic vegetable, like cooking in a pot, cooking in like a mud vessel and all of that. So the whole experiment is to try and revive these traditional food concepts, and just bring it with people, right? And then we have the entire Khedut Haat, which is essentially the farmers market right in the center of the festival. The whole idea of the farmers market is that the farmers can bring that produce and then directly sell it to the consumers. So there's no middleman, there is no cut, and all the farmers get what their due is. So the whole effort is to connect people with the farmers.
I believe this is a very good initiative by Himanshu Bhai and other people, and the food over here is really tasty. The best part is that most of the products are organic and they are very tasty. So it should be applied in daily routine. So people over here should not just come and eat, but they should apply it in their daily mainstream. I mean, in their routine organic food in their food. So this is something that I.
ખીચડી છે ને પણ મસાલો લાવો તો મને મસાલો તબા Yeah. હાલો પાણી જતો રાખજો રાખ લઈ બાબા પાણી
આચા
હે
આચા
હતા ને
એવી તમને હા જેમ ઘરે
બહુ કડક ટમેટા હજી કડક છે કેટલું લાવ પાણી
મીઠાબેન
પાણી લાવો તો ને મંજુબા પાણી લાવો હજી એટલું લાવો પાણી
તમને 10 વાગે કેમ જાવ સવારે જાવ હેલો હાલો
કાઈ ને રિવર્સ થાય છે મને લેતા આવજો ને
બે વર્ષ રાખો જે હવે
ફાયદો થાય
આ બસ ના રે
અને થોડો જોઈએ હો તમને દીધું
બસ હમણાં ફોટા પાડ્યા દો પડી તમે ચાલી લ્યો
એમાં નાન નહીં ને
છોકરી રાખી ગયો આવ્યા
ઉપડી લઈ ખબર
હા એ રે
એ નીતા તપેલ લઈ આવે મોટું ત્યાં ખીચડી હોય તો પેલું ખાલી કરે
ત્યાં ખાલી છે મારા ઘરે જઈ
આ બાઉલમાં જોવાનું
બાઉલ ખાલી વગર મૂકી ઈ તો પેલામાં જ
પાછી ઉપડી લેવા જાય આમાં કાંટા લાગે
આમાં પાણી ગરમ મૂકી મૂકી દેજો એટલે તપેલું હે ને ઓલું થઈ જાય હો છે ને બસ ને ભાઈ કડીક પર ઢાંકી દઈ ને તો ચડી જાય ઈ તપેલું ખાલી
It's a great feeling being here. The food and the things available in this modern era are the great things, because in this era for getting organic food it's really very difficult, and they are providing us. We are very grateful for them, and food over here is also awesome. It's a nice experience being here, and we are looking forward for the next year to here for being the organic mela.
About food, I would say this is very hygienic food and very healthy food, and something new that we are learning from here is like we can make our parathas from ragi also, jowar and ragi, and daily we should change our grain that we learned.
1, 2, 3.
Since 2000, Samad Bhai, he has started his organic farming and this is the platform where he appeals the public will always want to go into organic, but due to some or the other reasons they do not go into this organic farming. So this is a platform where he requests and he appeals the public, where people turns towards organic farming, which facilitates good health, energy and positive vibes in a person.